multi-bile new style. Number 1. Spinner. Spinner is a kind of combined product, which is different from traditional spinner bait. It takes the metal bait tail as the central shaft and as propeller to make it rotate greatly. Spinner's performance. 1. Spinner will produce a lot of foam and ripples on the surface of the water when it's swimming. It will attract more fish's attention. 2. The propeller on the tail of the spinner not only causes a mass of bubbles, but also reflects sunlight to produce the shining light. Number 2. Bearing bait. Bearing bait is a kind of metal bait which put the bearing into the bait body, thus construction reducing the volume of the bait, and the bait itself rotate naturally. Bearing bait's performance do not need to increase accessories so as to shorten the length of the lure. The reducing volume bearing bait drops the wind resistance when casting, increase the long cast performance. Number 3. Joint bait. Joint bait is a kind of multi-sectional metal bait. This kind of sectional structure design makes the metal bait move smoothly. Joint bait's performance. The bait swimming more flexibly and naturally. Number 4. Wing. Wing is a kind of metal bait which has wing structure added on the bait body. The wing will open or close in the movement process according to the wind drag and flow. Wing's performance. 1. The wing structure can close with the wind and water resistance, so that the lure movement ran can be easily controlled in a relative swimming layer. 2. The wing bait will stretch automatically when encountering the water resistance, so that it can stay in one layer longer than that of traditional lure. Number 5. Wiggle. Wiggle is a kind of metal bait which is separated structure. The front and rear segment will sway in different frequency and band. Wiggle's performance. 1. 2-part separation structure. The lure tail sway more naturally. 2. The head and tail will produce crash voice when swaying, which can attract the fish crowd. 3. The wiggle realizes the up and down sway effect by using the separation between the head and the body. Number 6. Hello. This is a kind of halo bait made by metal material, which is different from traditional solid and faster sinking metal bait. It can produce the suspension, flotation, and slow sinking effects. Halo's performance. 1. High-tech numerical control exquisite carving craft. The bait is more exquisite and has better vision. 2. High-end environmental aerospace material, pro-environment and strong braking resistance ability.